Hi guys, this is Tammy Russell from Mitsy Kit. Today I'm going to go over a few quick tips on how to put our drawstring fleece bag kit together. With your kit, you should have 2 fleece squares clipped together with some plastic clips and some tape along the top on the right and left. That top section is a pre-sewn channel which will be used to lace your drawstring through at the very end. In addition, you should have 2 fleece strips, 1 plastic needle, 2 grosgrain ribbon, and 2 beads. Now, first of all, I'm going to let you know that you can use one of 2 stitches with this project. The easiest stitch is the running stitch, and it makes a beautiful running stitch all the way around 3 sides, and it's perfectly fine for this kit. However, some people may want to do a more complex stitch, and so we're also offering the double running stitch, which is why we give you 2 fleece strips. The single running stitch is fine for storing medium to large size items in your bags. When you might want to do the double running stitch is if you plan to store any smaller items in your bags like coins, because the running stitches tend to leave just slight gaps in between the stitches. So I'm going to show you how we get started. So you lace the fleece ribbon through the eye of your plastic needle, and starting in one of the holes, if you feel right below the tape on the left or right, there is a hole drilled underneath and it has the tactile border. You're going to start going top down. There you go, and then just pull that through. And you're going to pull the fleece all the way until you have a very short tail. You really only need about an inch and a half tail at the end. And then you've come through the back with your fleece strip. You'll notice the plastic clip. I can remove that now that I've started lacing. And I'm going to move my index finger and thumb along the side of the fleece from where I just laced down until I feel the next set of holes. And so this is a running stitch. We go down and up, down and up. So now I'm going to go bottom up, I should say, coming up through, pulling my fleece all the way through, and next I'm going to go top down. And there we go. We have some running stitches. Go bottom up again. And again, just use your fingers to feel those tactile bordered holes as you go along the side. And it also helps if you keep your finger underneath where, so for instance, I have my thumb underneath the fleece strip as I'm pulling it through. So the fleece strip is kind of tightening around my thumb as I pull it, just to help you guide that fleece strip. Sometimes it might fold and your finger under there helps it to go in straight. Okay, so I'm going to continue this doing my running stitch, and I will come back when I'm done.